With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A bag contains 17 markers with number 0 to 17. A marker is drawn at random and replaced. This is important, replaced. A second marker is drawn, then the probability that first number is even and second is odd is k divided by 289. Then the number of divisor of k. Now in this particular question we need to find number of divisor of k. For that we need to find k first. Now it is given that probability that first number is even and second number is k divided by 289. This is given. Now we know that in a bag contain marker numbered from 1 to 17. Therefore there must be 9 markers with odd numbers on it and 8 markers with even numbers on it. Now from this we can conclude that probability that first number is even will be 8 divided by 17 and second number is odd will be 9 divided by 17 because we have 9 odd number markers out of 17 markers. Now this is equal to k divided by 289. This is given. From this we can write k is equal to 8 into 9 which is equal to 17. Now in this particular question we have to find the number of divisor of 79 which is k. So let me write all the divisor of 72. 72 will be, this will be 72 and 1, 36 and 2, 3 and it will be 24 on 4 and it will be 18, not divisible by 5, divisible by 6, yes, this will be 6 and it will be 12, 6 into 12. Now try 8 into 9, another will be 12 into 6 which is already present. Therefore this is our number of divisors which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Therefore there are in total 12 divisor of k. This is our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.